going to make Celebration, which is my New Year's soap, using all of my shavings and leftover like little embeds. I got hearts and gumballs and some other random things in here, plus all the shavings and shreds from cleaning up all my soaps. And then I'm also going to use some of the moons to stick on top. So I've never tried this before, where I'm using sheds, you know, this crap, and incorporated it into a soap. So I attempted the math. So we shall see what happens. I'm probably not going to talk too much from here on. When I talk, the videos get super long. So I will do some fun music and pop in if something important needs to be said or I have a thought. Here we go. Could be a bumpy ride. Somewhat of a thick consistency so that my heavier things don't drop right to the bottom. And I definitely need a bigger spatula for stirring this up. Get my folding spatula, it folds well. Yeah, let's see, we're just gonna let it set a second. I think we might be at a little bit of a false trace, so I'm going to give it a couple more whirs. You can see a little bit of like the faintest of like oil looking slick on the top. So we're going to give it another little whir. Like I said, I'd rather it be a little thicker for this so that my heavier embeds don't fall to the bottom. It smells so good. There we go. That got a little scary there for a second. It's a new stick blender, so I am learning it. Every stick blender has a mind of its own and works just a little different. Come on. All right, that's better. Here we go. Oh, this is going to be bad. This is not going to go well. Maybe. Could be cute. Could look like puke. All right. If the sound is good, I will leave the satisfying chug-a-lug-a-lug of the soap going in. Okay? Here we go. Somewhat quite satisfied with that. My math was a little off, so I'm gonna dump this into a small one that I use to test things, which I clearly decided not to test this. and I should be able to make samples or something out of it. It's not awful. We'll stick that over there while we continue fixing this now. Let's see. Let's do glitter. I think we're going to need some glitter. Let's see. Definitely some gold for the new year. Yes. There we go. Yes, beautiful. All right, and then I'm gonna put a little Joan Jett on it because this is my favorite. Let's put our moons on the top. Here we go, moons. Need to find a good royalty-free music playlist for when I'm recording videos because I cannot not listen to music. My brain is losing it. So if you know of any good ones, leave a comment down below because I need something playing in the background. But when I'm recording, the things I usually listen to, which are crime podcasts and things like that, or Stevie Nicks, because I'm a Stevie Nicks stan. So I need something that YouTube won't flag. Leave a comment down below, let me know, okay? Also, when we cut this, is it going to be a hot mess express and look like chunky puke in a soap, or is it going to be cute? Let me know what you think before. Don't wait and do it after you see how it looks. Comment right now. Alcohol, not much because I don't want to kill our glitter. All right, I'm going to cover this and put it on my heating pad under a towel and let it see-pop, even though it's not oven, but it still works. Let it see-pop, and we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to see what happened. Looks cute from the top. All right, everybody. All right. Here is our celebration loaf. That was my very first ever kind of using scraps and confetti things from 2021 to make my 2022 opening New Year's soap. So, did you all guess in the comments down below as to whether this turned out nicely or is a hot mess inside? Let's find out, shall we? Here we go. Get on there. All right, here we go. Don't snap. Oh God. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna snap this. Here we go. Put it in the freezer, but then I let it sit an hour, and that's usually enough. So we are just going to leave it right here, just like this, for a little longer. But we are going to leave it just like this, because I don't want to have to get that far and try to line it up again. All right, we're back. And it has been sitting here for quite some time, so we should not have an issue. Or we will. Or I just know I'm going to pop one of these. This should not be this hard. Some of these embeds must be pretty freaking hard. Why are we being a dick? Here we go. Got a twang. Here we go. There. We made it. We didn't break a string. Yeah. All right. So what do we got in here? Take out the center. Give me. Oh, cute. That's cute. Oh, look. One of those moons turned out real cute inside. I love it. All right. And there is my celebration.